Welcome back to my channel.
वाओ, बहुत कम ट्रैफिक है आज. That's good.
Wow, nice.
A few moments later.
Oh my, I should have stayed on the right hand side. क्या? किधर? किधर जाने गए? अरे आगे ही तो जा रहा हूँ. अरे ठोकलं ते नाही. All kinds of idiots. पीछे से ठोक रहा है. I'll have to check the damage on the bike now. All kinds of idiots on the road. Mumbai में you have to expect the unexpected. I'm riding, पीछे से ठोक दिया, and he's saying अरे आगे नहीं जा रहे हो, उसके लिए ठोक दिया. Idiot. Don't know how these guys get a license. But again, I don't know टेस्ट भी सही से होता है कि नहीं. The bike is due for the service वैसे भी, and now this guy seems to have broken the पीछे का indicator. Now look at this. Look at this. Now this guy stopped. Doesn't mean the car behind him is going to bang him from behind just because he stopped.
इतने तेजस्वी लोग हैं हमारे पास.
What a excuse. Just say sorry and go move on, bro. And now it's raining. What the what the seriously, I don't have a raincoat. Probably we'll have to stop there. Stop somewhere. Was anyways going to stop, see the damage. And ये rain भी ऐसा है, it will not completely rain. Just rain for 1 minute, 2 minutes, and it'll stop. That's a good thing. But you never know now. Just having a bad day.
Cause you had a bad day.
भी पता चला, doesn't stop only. It is a very good possibility. Probably just stop the bike and see what this has done. Still working. Better to stop for some time. What the hell, man? There's no shelter also either. I don't think this is going to stop anytime soon. So we'll just have to find shelter. Idiot. Guy seriously pissed me off.
Control. Control, Uday.
It stopped raining. Just rained for 2 minutes and I'm told you previously, I'm too lazy to carry that raincoat and the pant and the boots. I'd rather stop for 2 minutes, wait for the rain to stop, because it doesn't rain for more than 2 to 5 minutes. 5 minutes rukna padega, and then you can continue. But where I was when it was raining, there was no shelter that I could have, stopped and just waited there for 5 minutes. Even where I was standing, it is still, it is not good enough. So I still got completely drenched. अभी इधर बिल्कुल बारिश नहीं है.
जो कुछ तो कर रहा है ठीक नहीं कर रहा है. I don't like this.
But मेरा भी थोड़ा गलती था that from the left hand side I wanted to take a right. But अगर chance नहीं मिलता, I would have gone straight also. But you can't just say that अरे आप आगे नहीं जा रहे थे तो अब ठोक दिया. The seriously. Now here again it's raining, but good thing is we will ride under the bridge, so for some time at least. So will not get wet. But it doesn't matter now because the damage is already done. And today at work I was not really feeling well. ऐसा लग रहा था कि बुखार आ सकता है. And now there's a high possibility. Why is this guy riding so slow? I'm sorry I'm cribbing today. I'm still pissed at that guy. But ये सब बात इतना मन पे नहीं लेना चाहिए. That I've learned over the years. And now we do not have protection of the bridge anymore. Again here it's raining.
Oh shit. Here we go again.
Day to forget. What the hell is this guy doing? Oh man, I can't go उसके नीचे से. Does this poncho even work? What this guy is wearing?
A few moments later.
So, as I told you before, this segment that I am recording from home to work, told you in my introduction video that a lot of things happen with me when I commute from work to home and home to work. So I thought I'll record this. Today was a good example. बारिश हो गया, पीछे से बंदे ने ठोक दिया. And this segment, I'm sorry, so the name of the segment is Helmet Thoughts. And yeah, finally I managed to reach home.